welcome back to Dita's channel. So tonight I'd like to share about how to use be going to. So be going to refers to the future tenses. Well, I've got some words to learn here. So, okay, let us check together. According to the forecast, it rains later this afternoon. But this is wrong. According to the forecast, it is going to rain later this afternoon. And in the second, we analyze, do you tell me or not? No. Are you going to tell me or not? Okay, the third mistakes that sometimes we make. How do I eat this without a knife or fork? The correct is, how am I going to eat this without knife or fork? Okay, the next. When I get home, I'm making dinner and watching TV. No. When I get home, I'm going to make dinner and watch TV. All right, the last. Will you have a shower? If not, I'm going to clean the bathroom now. The correct is, are you going to have a shower? If not, I'm going to clean the bathroom now. Okay, now let us see why we use be going to or when we use be going to. Well, use going to refer to plans and intention that we have already made decision about. For example, he's going to change jobs next year. So it means that he has already decided to do this. Okay. And that use going to make prediction based on present or past evidence. So it means that in some case, we can already see that something is starting to happen. So for examples, look, it's going to rain. Means that you can see the clouds are black here. So I think that's all what I can share to you tonight. I'll see you again later. Bye bye.